To be honest, I like the creamy one better. Is it only me और आप लोगों को भी पीनट बटर खाने में बहुत मजा आता है? Let's go. चल.
Go kill people. Nice.
Wow, bro.
One kill, not bad.
Achievement. How to take? I'll get this here and bench press करूँगा उससे. So Jar baby, I trained till failure. After some point of time, I can't lift anymore, right? So guys, I've seen a lot of people in the gym telling that while you're doing this tricep dumbbell single hand, अभी हम करेंगे एक जुगाड़. I know. Today I'm feeling like cheating. To burn this whole meal, you should do cardio, any type of cardio for like 4 hours, I guess, right? Good morning guys, hope you're all doing well and welcome to Synetics. Guys, जैसे कि मैंने पिछले व्लॉग में बताया था कि आई एम ट्रेनिंग एट माई फ्रेंड्स प्लेस, सो आज वो दिन आ गया है. टुडे इज़ मंडे, तो इट्स 6 in the morning right now. So अभी मैं प्री वर्कआउट खाऊंगा, उसके बाद आई विल गो टू ट्रेन टू हिज प्लेस. इफ़ यू न्यू टू दिस चैनल तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब एंड हिट द बेल आइकन ऑल्सो सो दैट यू विल नॉट मिस एनी ऑफ माई वीडियोज़. आगे भी बहुत इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियोस आएंगे, जस्ट स्टे ट्यून्ड. अभी मैं प्री वर्कआउट के लिए 2 slices ऑफ ब्रेड एंड एक बनाना खाऊंगा. आई जस्ट रियलाइज्ड घर में ब्रेड नहीं है, सो आई जस्ट हैव 2 bananas एंड अ कप ऑफ ब्लैक कॉफ़ी विथ 2 spoons ऑफ पीनट बटर. पिछली बार मैंने क्रीमी मंगाया था, एज इन द प्लेन वन. इसमें दिस इज क्रंची वन, एज इन यू कैन सी पीनट्स ओवर देयर. एंड टू बी ऑनेस्ट, आई लाइक द creamy one better. Is it only me और आप लोगों को भी पीनट बटर खाने में बहुत मज़ा आता है? Whenever I come to the kitchen और मन लगता है ना, I just take a spoon and a spoon of peanut butter and बस खा लेता हूँ. Just taking a large spoon of peanut butter and बस खा लेना. अभी मैंने रियलाइज किया, इट्स बीन 2 minutes आई केम इनटू द लिफ्ट एंड मैंने कुछ प्रेस ही नहीं किया.
ओ भाई, मारो मुझे, मारो मुझे.
So guys, I just reached this place and clouds देख के लग रहा है कि बहुत बारिश होगा. I really hope that घर पहुंचने से पहले बारिश ना हो. I forgot my keys and bottle in the vehicle. Let's go. चल. Yes. Come here. Come here. Bro. A new guest, bro. You didn't use that today.
I used.
Oh.
There no space, man. Where?
So this person over here, he finished his workout 3 in the morning. How much? 3, right? 3 in the morning.
I started.
Okay. What were you doing till then?
I was watching televisions and playing.
And this guy is a gamer. Also guys, check out his gaming channel. I'll put the link in the description. Promotion bro. Free promotion.
Free promotion.
So again, I have to train alone. I thought I'll have a good
Not
partner.
again, okay?
I thought I'll have a good partner. But
This is a partner who does his workouts. So you will have the space for yourself.
yeah, sure. Anyway, you'll have to record mine.
Nah, that's fine.
So
I'll do that.
you don't play.
I'll start the game. When you need me, call.
Why are you wearing that? You're playing kabaddi or something?
Yeah, you can play kabaddi also. Right? in this.
No, by the way, why are you wearing that? Early morning.
To play while playing smooth. Finish
Uh-huh.
my take. Yeah. So,
At what time is your tournament?
I think 5 or 4.
Oh, 5?
Yeah.
What
Evening.
5? Evening?
Yeah, in the what morning.
So you're ready now, bro. It's 7 in the morning and he's ready.
No, it's practice. Warm up. Like,
कोई सेंस है इस बात की? इसको बहुत लगी है. So guys, before starting my training,
yes.
I'll
learn how
try.
to play video games.
I never do. How to start this?
He'll start. Okay, W
Should I wear this?
is move, okay?
W? That I know. That much I know. Okay, shut up. Should I wear this?
Yeah, wear. Left click is shoot.
Oh. W is.
Turn, full turn. No, oh, your arm, wait, 1 second.
Yeah.
You're a very low sense player.
I died, bro.
No, it's fine. Your a wrist.
What do you say?
player,
Low sense prayer. I have
Low
sense
sense.
prayer.
No,
Shut up.
you-
Where should I go?
Go, you find people, I'll give you guns. Wait. Yeah. Go kill people.
जय महाराष्ट्र
Shoot him. Don't move and shoot it. Stand still. Nice.
Wow, bro.
1 kill, not bad.
Achievement. How to take that?
Jump. Shoot him. Move left. Nice.
2 kill,
Move.
bro. See?
You got to left. Something might be there. That window you saw him, no?
What the hell?
You want to see me play?
Yeah, sure. It's his turn, guys, now.
It's my turn.
Alright, guys. KB in the house.
ओ भाई मारो मुझे मारो
Why do you move so much?
It's like when you play with such high sensitivity, right?
Huh? So you move your whole hand.
Arm. So I'll have more control, right?
Oh.
If you move only your wrist, right, there's a certain distance you can move. Right?
Okay, guys.
You move your
आज का
whole
ज्ञान. Alright, he'll keep playing. If I wait there, I'll not train today. So I'll start my training. So आज का training होगा chest and tricep का. He already finished his, and I'll start now. Gaddar.
It's like you finish your whole day's work when you finish workout.
Exactly, bro. Nothing else good to do whole day. So I'll get this here and bench press करूँगा उससे.
Full type. See, you keep your head on this tensions, so you won't get that neck pain.
But I get the stretch.
Yes, still good.
So अभी मैं warm up set से start करूँगा with bench press to see how comfortable it is. उसके बाद I'll go. What else to do?
Bench press, decline,
Yeah, decline, then 3 sets.
then now chest,
Yeah, the close grip
close
one.
grip.
And I'll do with
Flies.
flies.
Enough, I think.
Or else, yeah, with resistance band also can do, right? And tricep, skull crushers.
Skull crushers, single arm dumbbell,
Okay, then I'll do with the resistance band.
resistance bands,
Kind
and
of, I guess.
dips if you want.
Mhm. So that's it, guys. Let's begin.
What I'm doing, never give up, never slow till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah.
हो रहा है धोखा दिया तूने
धोखा दिया.
गद्दार है तू गद्दार
I finished my workout. If anybody is,
या यू फिनिश योर वर्कआउट दैट्स व्हाट विदाउट मी
it's not my fault. You couldn't come at 4.
शट अप व्हाट फॉर 4 बजे कौन उठता है बे वर्कआउट करने के लिए स्पीक
Speak to whom?
जब भी I train till failure, after some point of time I can't lift anymore, right? So मैं eccentric motion करता हूँ, that is negatives, doing negatives. Negative मतलब it will build your strength also, you know, जब भी आप you can't lift it up, just get it down in a slower range of motion, get it down slowly. तभी आपको you know एक complete finisher जैसा लगेगा. Guys, I've seen a lot of people in the gym telling that, you know, when you do this single arm tricep, this thing, don't laugh. So guys, this person is not letting me. This person is not letting me take videos. So guys, I've seen a lot of people in the gym telling that while you're doing this tricep dumbbell, single hand dumbbell extension, so they tend to tell that, you know, you should come close here, as in you should come close and lift it here. But असली बात ये है कि you see in which position you are comfortable. अगर आप लोगों को इधर comfortable लगता है, थोड़ा सा wide comfortable लगता है, तो do that only. You need not get it here, here, here and all. First see what are you comfortable with. If you're comfortable with the wide one and if you get a good contraction in that, then go for it. If you're comfortable with the close one and you get a good contraction with it, then go for that one. दूसरों की मत सुनो, अपना करो, because सबका body different होता है, so and सबका taste different होता है, सबका you know the body structure different होता है, so just do how you feel comfortable with. अभी हम करेंगे एक जुगाड़ ट्राइसेप एक्सटेंशन के लिए, ट्राइसेप पुश डाउन के लिए, सॉरी. अभी हम लगाएंगे रेजिस्टेंस बैंड को. Alright, it's set now, and you can either do like this directly, the neutral grip, yeah, the neutral or the other grips, and I use this. What is this called?
अबे साले.
That's it. Retract your shoulders. Now it was darker, then came Parker. So guys, workout हो गया. This guy didn't let me shoot everything. This person, he didn't let me shoot everything. He was, you know, पागलपन कर रहा था.
He should be disciplined. He should wake up early.
What?
He should start his workout.
I'll tell you one
I got
thing.
up at 4 and I did my workout.
He didn't sleep. He didn't sleep the whole
Nobody
night.
needs to know that.
He didn't sleep the whole night, and he started working out at 4 in the morning. I don't know, like.
कौन है ये लोग? कहाँ से आते हैं?
क्या?
Dwayne The Rock Johnson.
You?
अबे साले.
Well, guys, अभी I'm going home. फिर breakfast खाऊंगा. I don't know what my mom prepared, or else I'll just have eggs and bread. उसके बाद I'm coming here again. इसके बाद, and we'll decide what to do.
You can't leave me.
कौन है ये लोग? कहाँ से आते हैं?
Guys, अभी घर पहुंचा and I realized that bread खाली हो गया था and I forgot to get it. तो अभी either I'll get the bread और अभी रोटी है घर पे, वही खाऊंगा मैं. So it's either bread and eggs or rotis and eggs. Alright guys, I'm done with my breakfast. So अभी मैं जा रहा हूँ फिर से केबी के घर and just to chill out. घर में बोर हो रहा था and उसके घर में भी कोई नहीं है, so we'll just chill out. उससे पहले I have to collect his chicken. वो vegetarian है, so घर में they don't prepare chicken. So he gets chicken from his friend, as in I'm going to a friend's place. वो chef है and he prepares chicken and stuff. And then उसके लिए every day he gets chicken for him. He prepares and gets to his home. So anyways, I'm going to his home. No, I'll collect the chicken first, then I'll go there. Get this from
Which one? Amazon.
Amazon.
Yeah.
I should buy one, dude. It's useful, na? Food. It's hot, man. Nice.
Let's go there. Why don't you want mayonnaise? Even I used to eat without mayonnaise in college. Yeah. I know, today I'm feeling like cheating. थोड़ा सा. What is that, bro? What? No need, I guess. No need of eating it. Alright, yeah. So we just got home and which is which one? I don't know. You should have asked him.
Mine's.
Which is with this is with mayonnaise. With mayonnaise, mine. But he's without mayonnaise. He's eating without mayonnaise. Some pimple problem. Beauty conscious.
Beauty.
Where is yours?
This is my
Pizza.
Pizza at night now.
At night. By the way, we got 2 pizzas, पर वो अपना पिज्जा रात में खाएगा. So अभी सिर्फ shawarma खाएगा. But I'll have everything here and I need to go home. So it's almost 2. So खा के I'm going home now because 2 के बाद वो lockdown शुरू होगा. So follow the rules.
अबे साले
What are you watching? I ate the whole pizza by myself, and one piece. Yeah, you don't look at me like that. One piece he ate. Yeah, this one probably he will eat. He will eat. You'll eat it, right?
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah. So and 2 shawarmas. One I finished, and और एक खा रहा हूँ अभी. So I want to tell you guys to burn this whole thing I ate right now. It's around how many 3,000 calories, I guess, right? To burn this whole meal. You should do cardio, any type of cardio for 4 hours, I guess, right? 4 hours, yeah, minimum of 4 hours, depending on the intensity and the type of cardio you're doing. So guys, don't cheat. I'm saying is don't eat this stuff. I just ate. I'm eating this after like months, I'm telling you, because this place over here, this room is full of junk. Including this person. This room is full of junk.
You won't be able to work out if you talk like
Yeah.
अबे साले
एक meal में it's almost 3,000 calories. That means डेढ़ दिन का calories एक meal में खा लिया मैंने. So this is how you get fat. Alright, it's not the pizza that matters. See, if you eat the whole thing for a day and you didn't eat anything else, so you will be in a 3,000 calories में रहोगे, right? You will take in 3,000 calories. If you're in a surplus, then that is more than enough. This one meal will fulfill all your needs, but protein का थोड़ा ख्याल रखना पड़ेगा. That's it. At the end of the day, it's only the calorie that matters. Leaving.
Okay, bye.
Don't leave me till the door. I'm leaving. Guys, it's Monday today, that is like 21st of June, and अभी एक न्यूज़ आया है कि कल से, that is 22nd of June से gyms पूरे खोल रहे हैं. Like gyms will be open from tomorrow. So I'm like super excited and बहुत खुश हूँ मैं.
मोगेम्बो खुश हुआ.
I'm very excited and let's see how it goes. I missed the weights. I missed lifting heavy weights, deadlifts, squats, or mainly the machine works. I loved machine works. It's really important for hypertrophy. So I loved it. So फिर से चलने वाला है वो सब. And I'm super excited, guys. इसी के साथ आज का व्लॉग खत्म होता है. Hope you guys liked it. अगर पसंद आया तो लाइक कीजिए, अगर नहीं पसंद आया तो डिसलाइक कीजिए और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिए. Also follow me on Instagram for fitness tips and other reels. If you have any questions related to fitness, मेरे latest Instagram post पे जाके कमेंट कीजिए वो question. I'll surely answer. Also comment the same question in my latest video on YouTube. तब तक के लिए stay safe and मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में. Bye.